Hey everyone, it's Harley Moreno with SoundGuys coming to you live from CES 2024 in Las Vegas. Now, we recently got our hands on the new Sennheiser ACCENTUM Plus Wireless headphones, and honestly, we're pretty impressed. Now, design-wise, if you look at the new ACCENTUM Plus, it doesn't look a lot different from the original ACCENTUM. In fact, the only way you can really tell the difference between the two models is that the Plus variant has a silver Sennheiser logo on the headband, and it also features a touchpad on the right ear cup for touch controls. Now, during my testing, I did find that the touchpad was pretty responsive. It got all my swipe gestures, never thought it skipped or missed an input. Now, I still personally prefer physical buttons like what you'd find on the older Bose headphones and on the original ACCENTUM, but hey, at least the touch-sensitive pads on the ACCENTUM Plus feel pretty reliable. Now, on the underside of the ACCENTUM Plus, you will find a 3.5mm jack for wired listening, and a 3.5mm cable is also included with the travel case. By the way, if you didn't already know, the original ACCENTUM didn't have a travel case or 3.5mm jack, so it's nice that it's here in the ACCENTUM Plus. Now, under the hood, the ACCENTUM Plus, like the ACCENTUM, features Bluetooth 5.2, which again, not the latest and greatest. However, the ACCENTUM Plus does offer aptX adaptive codec support, so you do get a little bit of a higher quality Bluetooth stream with the ACCENTUM Plus. And another notable upgrade with the ACCENTUM Plus is the fact that it uses an adaptive hybrid active noise cancellation scheme, whereas the original ACCENTUM only uses a hybrid active noise cancellation system. Now, when I put on the ACCENTUM Plus and listened to some music, I did feel like the ACCENTUM Plus had better ANC performance. Like, I didn't even notice that there was an airplane flying over us while Adam was filming me wear the headphones. So if ANC performance does matter to you, or you're somebody who travels a lot and, airplane noise gets loud, you might find that it might be worth paying a little extra for the ACCENTUM Plus. But then again, all of that was based on my listening experience, and the only way to really see how much the ANC has improved on the ACCENTUM Plus is for us to put it into our lab testing, which will be coming soon. Now, in terms of sound quality, you shouldn't hear much of a difference between the ACCENTUM and ACCENTUM Plus, because the ACCENTUM Plus uses the same 37mm drivers found on the original model. Now, after listening to music with the ACCENTUM Plus, I did feel that bass notes were a little louder than I'd prefer, and I felt that higher frequency noises like high octave synths were a little quieter than I would like, but you should be able to remedy some of this by just EQing the headphones using the Sennheiser Smart Control app. Now, if you want to get your hands on the new Sennheiser ACCENTUM Plus, these will be available for $229.95 and should be available starting February 20. Now, we can't wait to get a pair into our labs for testing, so make sure to stay subscribed and stay tuned for our full review. But until then, make sure to stay tuned for the rest of our coverage at CES 2024. My name is Harley Moreno with SoundGuys, and until next time, happy listening.